Hey, we're on 77 going by Willow Point and stuff. Yeah. It's all gone. All them new houses and Melissa's. You can't even tell because there's so many trees in the water. You can't even really tell that little lot that Melissa's mama's house was on, and between it and Willow Point. All these new houses are actually set up at Willow Point here with drinks and stuff.
This ain't Willow Point, Mama.
That is Willow Point right there, Coach.
Mama, that ain't fucking Willow Point.
Oh, it ain't? Well, it all hit
Before Willow Point.
before what, you know, back toward Kanaka's Willow Point. There's Melissa. That's where Melissa's
There
mom
you
and
go.
them's house
There you go.
is what's all gone. Too many bodies of water.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay. Wow.
The barn got demolished.
Yeah. It's amazing how it got that barn. Well, all them houses on that hill's gone is what it went through. But all these are, and these up here at Willow Point, actually, the new ones, they're not touched. There's one right there with a rooftop. That's it. The barn's gone. Yeah, we didn't turn and go